how to enable or disable live transcribe show hold button to post transcription on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Then swipe down at the top and then tap on the settings icon. Next, in the settings page, scroll down, then tap on accessibility, then tap on hearing enhancements, and then tap on live transcribe. Next, we tap on open live transcribe, and then tap on the settings icon. Next, tap on more settings. Then scroll down and tap on advanced. In here, tap on show hold button. Tap on the toggle button to switch it off or turn it on. Now tap on the back key to go back to your live transcribe. If you want to pause, you can tap on the pause button and we will post the transcription. To continue, just tap on the pause button to resume your live transcribe. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.